I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through this.
Back to business.
谢谢小朋友的精彩表演，朋友们，艺术探索永无止境，只要不断向前，就会有不同的风景出现。追求艺术梦想的道路其实并不遥远。南宁市群众艺术馆公益培训班、雍城市民艺术院校、南宁市公益艺术培训联盟，就是搭建在我们家门口的人民的终身美育学校。
临门槛儿，全免费，门类多，师资强，课程优，欢迎大家走进群艺馆，享用公共文化服务，共同推动实现全民艺术普及，全民终身美育。
朋友们，第31届2024年南宁市少年儿童艺术节、南宁市公益艺术培训联盟优秀节目展演第1